Welcome back to Bad Attitude C10. Week 4 of our Fast Trucks Matter contest brings a submission from Unity Motorsports Garage and the truck known as Casper. The truck is a 1971 Ford F100 that has a unique engine called Mixed Up Boss. The 429 cubic inch small block Ford is coupled to a C4 with a 5000 converter from Dynamic Racing transmission. It puts the power to the ground using a Ford 9-inch rear end with 430 gears, and its best time to date is a 689 at 99 mile per hour in the 8th mile. Let's see the truck in action. Alright guys, if you do not already subscribe to Unity Motorsports Garage, go give them a watch. And if you need any further information on the Mixed Up Boss, go watch his videos. As always, please like and subscribe.